Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a C sharp major scale on piano, one octave, hands together. The first thing I want to mention is this is C sharp, and this is what we call an enharmonic scale. So this scale can be spelled two different ways. We can either call this note D flat or we can call it C sharp. Feels the same, it sounds the same, it just looks different on the musical staff. So for the purposes of this video, we are going to call this note C sharp. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look above at the solfège formula and figure out the notes in the C sharp major scale. So we're going to call Do C sharp. So you see Do to Re is a whole step. So Do to Re, skipping that key right there, is a whole step. So C sharp to D sharp. Re to Mi, another whole step. We're going to skip this key right here. Then Mi to Fa is a half step. So we're on E sharp to F sharp. Mi to Fa. Then Fa to So, another whole step. F sharp to G sharp. So to La, another whole step. G sharp to A sharp. And then La to T, another whole step. A sharp to B sharp. And then finally T to Do, half step. So in this scale, every single note is sharped. So you have C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. So the way I like to lock in the fingering for scales is to use a technique called clumping, which means we're going to play the notes together that come in between where the thumb crosses under or fingers cross over in the other direction. So we're not going to start with the thumb on a black key. Makes a bad angle for the hand. We're going to start with finger 2 and 3. So we're going to have a clump to start. Do and Re. And then thumb's going to come under. Then we have a clump. 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to end on 2. 4, 3, 2. 3, 2. Let's do that one more time. So clump, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Now one at a time. Thumb comes under. Thumb under. Finger 4. And cross with 3. Left hand, same thing. We're going to clump to begin with fingers 3 and 2. You'll notice in this scale, it's kind of convenient because fingers 2 and 3 are in the group of 2 black keys, and fingers 2, 3, and 4 are on the group of 3 black keys. So as the left hand clumps, we're going to have 3, 2, then thumb, 4, 3, 2, thumb. We'll cross with 3. You could also cross with 2 if you wanted to, if you're at the end of the scale. It's good practice to cross with the finger that would be crossing if you had more than one scale. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now one at a time. Cross with 4. Cross with 3. Cross under 4. Now, to put the hands together, we're going to use a rhythmic technique of short and long to lock in the crossovers and crossunders. This one is actually pretty easy to get hands together because the thumbs are the only fingers that are playing on the white keys. So nevertheless, we'll just do the rhythmic technique just for good practice. So we're going to start with 3 on Do, 2 on Do. Here we go. So we're going to do short, long rhythms. What's next? Right hand, thumb under, left hand, finger 4 crossing over. And we got a rhythm. Right hand, thumb under, left hand, finger 3 coming over. And then we're going to come back down. Finger 4 crosses in the right hand. What's What's next? Thumb's going to cross under finger 4 in the left hand. What's next? Finger 3 in the right hand. Let's do that one at a time. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a C-sharp major 1-octave scale. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.